Hello everyone, welcome to another Guest Internet instructional video. This is part of a series of videos where we explain how to configure your Guest Internet controller. Before I start, I want to remind you that before you start a configuration, download the configuration guide. This is available from our website and from the WispZone website. This tells you how to connect the equipment, and it tells you how to go through the setup wizard to initialize the equipment, and also how to log in as the administrator. And so when we do any type of configuration, the first thing we do is log in as the administrator. And so we see the system information page, which is the one shown here. And that gives a summary of the status of the Guest Internet controller. Now, I'm going to continue today with the advanced settings. We've covered quite a lot of these already. The next one I'm going to cover is the allowed MAC list. Now, this allows us to put in the MAC address of devices that are going to connect to the internet without a login page. Why would we want to do this? Well, we can set up, for example, a network in a hotel where the guests have to log in, but staff computers can have the MAC address added here so that the staff computers connect to the internet without any login page. And we have a couple of options here: allow Macs to bypass authentication, or apply login limits and access. So what does that mean? It means that in the first case, the device which has the MAC address bypasses all the controls. There's no login page, there's no controls. The second one means that we're going to bypass the login page, but we're going to apply the controls. So if we set, for example, a maximum download and upload speed, then that will be applied to this device. So we add the MAC address in this format. Each set of characters is separated by a colon. We put an explanation here to tell us what the device is that is being allowed access. And we can add up to 100 devices simply by clicking this plus sign. So we can put a whole list of devices that have free access to the internet. Now, there is more information in our manual. Please go to the Guest Internet website. Up at the top right-hand corner, there's a button to download the manual. It's available in English and Spanish. Read the section of the manual about allowed MAC addresses to find more information about how to use this product. It's also used a lot in applications where you have some device that's not a user. In a hotel, for example, you may have the Wi-Fi network also being used for the video cameras. And so there's a network video recorder that you want to have access to the internet. And so you can put that device in the allowed MAC list. So there are many applications for this. So please check this in the manual and you'll read more about this. Well, thank you for watching. Look out for our next videos in this series. And if you have any questions, you can always send us an email and ask. Okay? So we'll see you again next time.